Hello guys, this is model aircraft with this all aircraft grade material flashlight, and it's very rigid, and the brightness is good. It's 2000 lumens. I use this for work, and also I use this as personal use as well. So you guys can see 2000 lumens, and it has a good saturation. It doesn't flicker, like if you have an LED light and you put a camera on it, it flickers. It doesn't do that. Good saturation. It throws out very far, like 400 times, which is good, and it's a very good quality. I got this at Ace Hardware for about $70. Yeah, very nice flashlight. It's model aircraft, signing out. It's about dead because I used it already at work, but it's not gonna stay on very long. It's gonna dim out after a minute. Yeah. So yeah, it's a very good flashlight because in my field we need flashlights. Signing out.